Here we are, we have a MacBook, we've downloaded and installed Xcode, and we're ready to work on our first iOS app. To build any app in Xcode, you're going to first need to create an Xcode project. We're going to go through the steps in setting up an iOS project. You can either follow along or watch first and have a go yourself afterwards. Start by selecting New Project in the Welcome window, or you can select File, New, Project. A window should appear where you can select a platform and template. In Xcode, you can build apps for a variety of platforms: Apple Watch, Apple TV, Mac programs, but in this course we're going to be focusing just on developing for iPhones and iPads and iPod Touch, and we do that with the iOS platform. Within the iOS platform, we have a variety of templates we can choose from. Similar to Microsoft Word has templates for letters or resumes, Xcode has templates for common iOS app types. You've got games, you're probably familiar with those. Augmented reality, the latest new thing introduced in iOS 11. A document-based application, this is for accessing documents in your app. Master Detail Application presents the content of your app in a split view on iPads or plus iPhones. Page-based application animates page turns. Tabbed application adds a tab bar to the bottom of your app to organize content. Sticker Pack application sets up a simple sticker pack for iMessage. And iMessage application, which sets up more complex features in an app for iMessage. In this course, we're always going to start with a single view application. You can still include pages or tabs or master detail or even code a game using a single view application. The difference is we'll have a clearer understanding of the boilerplate code that other templates set up for you automatically. Next, you want to set up options for your project. Product name is pretty straightforward. Let's go with the traditional Hello World. If you've joined the Apple Developer Program, you can choose your team here. By the way, even if you are a solo developer, your developer account with Apple is still referred to as a team. Organization name. This is used to automatically generate copyright strings in your code. The organization identifier plus the product name are used to generate what's called the bundle identifier, which identifies your app on the App Store. Language, this is where you can choose to primarily use Swift or Swift's predecessor, Objective-C. Core data is a framework for persisting complex data. Unless you're planning on using core data in your project, it's best to leave this unchecked. Unit tests and UI tests. It's a good idea to get into the habit of using these, so let's leave them selected. We'll be looking at unit tests and UI tests in Unit 14. Next, you'll choose the path to store your project. You'll also be able to automatically set up version control in your app. Keeping track of changes in your app is generally a good idea, so let's keep that checked. That's it. Our simple single view project is now ready to work on and build an amazing app. In the next video, we're going to see what happens after we hit this create button, add some basic design to our app, and we're going to take a quick tour of the Xcode interface. This has been a sample from my video course, iOS Development with Swift. You can click here to learn more about the course. I've also written a book on iOS development. You can click here to learn more about that. I'm hoping to upload a sample video like this regularly, so if you're interested in iOS development and would like to see more videos like these, you might want to click below to subscribe. Bye!